Hi Evelyn, this is Robert. I just wanted to give you a quick video, just explain the three estimates that I'm sending over to you, and you can call me later with any questions. Like I mentioned on our phone call, when you're comparing the different banks, really what you want to compare is the interest rate as well as the fees specific to that bank. All the other fees are estimates, and we can kind of go over those a little bit later. But for us, there's two fees related to our bank, which are the processing fee and the underwriting fee at $9.95 and $2.95, and that's it. We don't have credit report fees, flood check, tax transcripts, any of those other fees. We kind of just roll it into our processing fee. So those are the only two fees you'll see with us, as well as the appraisal fee, which really isn't our fee. It's something that we charge to a third person, which does the appraisal on the property, and that's $445, and that can vary anywhere from $425 to $500 depending on the bank. So that's really it when you're comparing one lender to the other. The only other thing on line 802 is credit or charge for interest rate. We're not charging you any extra fees for that interest rate, okay? So moving down, what I want to show you is what the total payment looks like, and there's a reason why, because the three estimates I'm sending you are going to vary a little bit. This is looking at one loan with 10% down. So from our point of view, the financing is 90%. You have your principal and interest payment here of $1,071.45. You have your private mortgage payment of $74.42, and this is what I want you to look at because this is going to change on the next two scenarios that I sent you. And then we're estimating the insurance for the interior of the condo, which is called contents insurance or the interior coverage, at $50.33 per month. And then lastly, I went on the Miami-Dade tax records, and I saw that the property taxes for this run about $281.75 per month. So your total monthly payment for this scenario with an interest rate of 4.25% is about $1,485.94. And as I mentioned, if you were buying a house today, the interest rate would probably be 4.0%, but because you're buying a condo, there's an adjustment for the financing at the 90% for the condo that kicks you up to the 4.25%. So $1,485.94 is the total payment. Now what I want to do is go to the next scenario, which the interest rate stays the same at 4.25%, but what we're doing here is we're changing the loan amount. We've lowered the loan amount by $25. In the previous example, your loan amount was $218,000. And I'll go up right to it, $217,800 rather. And on this example, we're making it $217,775. So we lowered it by $25, and the reason is that it helps save you on the monthly PMI insurance. So I'll kind of go down to that. And if you see here, it went down from $78 to $54 per month. And the reason why is because private mortgage insurance will give you a certain rate based on whether you're financing, 95 to 100%, 90 to 95%. 85 to 90%. So what happens is by going a hair under 90 to the 89.99% loan to value, essentially lowering your loan amount by $25, we're able to lower that PMI insurance by roughly $24 a month. So it's a savings that goes directly to you. So now you see your total payment here is $1,465.85 versus the $1,485.94. So it's basically $20 a month just by putting an extra $25 down on the property. Lastly, what I'm going to show you is a scenario with an interest rate of 4.125. And what happens is the previous examples had 4.25% with no extra charge to you for that rate. There are examples where we can discount the rate. So here we're charging a discount fee of 0.5% or $1,088 to lower the interest rate from 4.25 to 4.125. Some banks, advertise this because they want to be able to advertise a lower rate, and they don't disclose that they're charging you a fee. We typically try to not charge any extra fees, but I'm showing this to you just because sometimes you may see it. And what it does is it lowers your principal and interest payment to $1,055.45. So from the example we just looked at to this, it drops your payment to $1,449.97, which is roughly about a $16 savings. So to pay $1,088 a month, you save $16 a month. May not be the biggest savings in the world, so I probably wouldn't do it, but it's an example that's out there, and I kind of just wanted to show you so you can just, compare. But anyway, if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Thanks and have a great day.